Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning AutoCAD simple and fun for everyone. Today we are going to create exercise 20 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is so simple that even a student can easily apply it. By the end of this video, you will be able to complete this drawing with confidence. I have also provided PDF file for this exercise, link in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. If you want to support us, you can join our YouTube channel to help us make this tutorial. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing environment. Open your AutoCAD and create a new drawing. Type UN for unit and set the unit to millimeter. Press OK. Turn on ortho mode for straight line and make sure your grid is visible. So you can check this one for visible your grids. Step 2. Drawing the outer circles and arcs. So C for circle. This one is our outer circle. Radius will be 48. Then another one, inner circle, it will be 37. Use the circle command to draw circle 48 radius. So type C for circle. Click on center point. Put a radius as a value 48. Press enter. Now again second circle, C for circle. Click on center point. Radius as a 37. Now create a simple line from here to here. Use TR, enter, T for trim. Select this line, enter, trim outer parts. Again, create another small circle as you see in this diagram. Radius will be 16. So, C for circle, click on this midpoint and radius value is 16. Press enter. Now TR, enter. T for cutting edge, select this circle, press enter, click this one. Now again trim this inner part, TR, double enter, now this one. So we are complete these parts. Okay, now we are going to create these. So very carefully need to create a line, L for line from here upside as a 50. Step 3. Drawing the slots. So now C for circle. Create a smaller circle as you see in this image. This circle. Diameter will be 16. Now again create a second circle. Its radius will be 15. So now we are going to create a smaller circle. D for diameter 16. Again we are going to create on same center point, C for circle, and radius will be 15. Select this circle, M for move, downside it will be 50. Now we need to trim extra lines and erase also this line. L for line, use a tangent command, hold the control key, press right click and using as a tangent point. So first point, again same process as a tangent. Click on this one. Select this line using mirror command, MI for mirror. Click this point to this point. Now TR, enter, T for cutting edge. Select this line and this line. Press enter and click this inner part, remove. Now again we need to extend this line to here and also this line will be here. Now we are going to create these parts. So step 4. Adding the 5 small holes at the top. So C for circle. Click on this center point and diameter will be 40. So D for diameter 40. Enter. Again we need to create one more circle. C for circle. Click on this center point. Diameter will be 16. D for diameter 16. Now need to add a smaller circle. So before we add a smaller circle, we need to convert this circle as a center line. So select this circle, go to properties, click on center line and check as a red color. Now MA for match. Click this one to also this one and this one. Need to add a smaller circle on these circles. So C for circle, put a diameter as a 10. D for diameter 10, enter. Select this circle using array command. ARRAY array. Press enter. As a polar array, click on center points. Number of item 5. So using here number of item 5. Now we need to fill this array as a 180. Now close this one. The last one for this drawing using these curves. So use L for line, click on this point, use the control hold right click for tangent point, click on here. Select this line using MI for mirror from here to here, enter. Now step 5. Before final touch, we need to trim unwanted lines, circles and all. So using TR, enter. T for cutting edge, select this line and this line, press enter, cut this one. Almost we complete this drawing. So select all except this one. Go to properties, add a line thickness as a 0.30. Now step 6. Final touch. Verify all dimensions using the dimension tool to check. Clean up the extra lines with a trim command. Step 7. Add dimension. After you add this dimension, your image will look like that. So congratulations, you have completed the exercise 20 in AutoCAD. I hope this step-by-step tutorial was easy for you to follow. Make sure to download the PDF of this exercise from the description box. Practice it later. If you want to support my channel, help us more tutorial like this, click the join button, and support means a lot for us. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so don't miss any further tutorial. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay creative, keep learning. Tata, bye bye, take care.